Welcome everybody. Good morning. Namaskar. We are from Techno International New Town. Here, the iconic structure of Calcutta Gate is visible to you, and our college is very near to this. Let us have a walk-through view of this college. It's situated very near to Calcutta Gate and is not a very distance to be covered to come in the college. So this is our college. We can see here from that our college can be reached from the Calcutta Gate point to here very easily. Yes, we have reached to our main gate of the college. Let us come. Please come with me. We have taken an entry within our entrance lobby. This is the reception. We can see from here some of the parents has come for inquiry related to admission. This is fully air conditioned lobby where we used to receive our visitors. The walls are decorated with the achievement and different activities of students in taken part in different activities or different events of the college. Beside this, now we have taken entry to our placement cell. Our placement officer and the assistant placement officer used to sit here. They have a huge duty on their shoulder. This is one of the most evident part of our college.
Hello everyone, Techno International New Town, a beautiful campus in the midst of New Town and picturesque campus with the state-of-the-art facilities. Now we have 7 engineering disciplines, and out of the 7, one of the premier disciplines is civil engineering. It is established in the year 2012 with all modern facilities. The department comprises of the best faculty, all the basic labs and the advanced lab. Students are encouraged to develop certain projects. Faculties are also doing different kind of consultancies to explore the possibility of the civil engineering discipline. Apart from the academics, the students are also encouraged to take part of different extracurricular activities, sports, music, literature, painting, cine, all kind of efforts. So under the umbrella of Techno International New Town, Civil Engineering Department is doing the best. Even last year also from the Civil Engineering Department, the university topper from Techno International New Town. Now talking about the placement, Civil Engineering students are got different kind of placement opportunities in IT companies as well as in the core discipline. So it is a privilege to tell you that civil engineering, if you choose your career at Techno International New Town, you will definitely get a deserving and bright future. Thank you.
Welcome to our department. Now we are taking entry within our civil engineering department, and we will visit at the different corner of the department. We want to show you the infrastructure, the classroom, the facilities we have in our department. Please come with us. This is the entrance lobby of our department. We have a very wide and spacious lobby. We used to arrange different events like Civil Engineering Day, like our different tech fests, tech exhibitions, etc. Here we can see some of the work which is still now visible in the soft boards, which was done by the students during different tech exhibitions. This is our HOD room. Some of our senior faculty used to sit here along with HOD. Now you can see our faculty room. In here, we used to sit and prepare our lessons to be discussed with the students. Now let us take our entry in our classrooms where the classes are taken. Please come in. This is the classroom where your words will be prepared for their future professional life. This is the audiovisual lab. In this lab, we used to groom our students to develop their soft skills like extempo and other debates, etc. Here in this lab, the language capabilities of the students are developed. Environment is a very important issue nowadays. In this lab, we used to check the water quality standards and the wastewater oxygen demand, etc. Different environmental issues within this lab, and the chemical property of the water along with the physical quality, the quality standards, etc. are measured. Computer lab. Nowadays, nothing can be done and can be thought about without computer. In this lab, we used to train our students different software related to civil engineering in very small groups so that they can have a very good grip on computer simulation of different civil engineering problem. Civil engineers are the proud man to say that we have discovered or produced a material which is concrete. Testing of the quality of concrete for its workability, compressive strength and durability is an important part of civil engineering concrete technology lab. We have a high quality lab to test this property of concrete in Techno International New Town.
One of the most basic fieldwork to be conducted in civil engineering is surveying. Other modernized equipments present in our laboratory, we also use electronic cystometer based theodolite, which is also termed as total station.
Civil engineers also used to maintain different dams, barrages and also used to measure flow for different canals and pump efficiency. So, fluid mechanics lab is an important lab in that sense, and we have a very good state-of-art lab for fluid testing in our civil engineering department of Techno International New Town. Highway lab is also an important lab of civil engineering. Different highway materials are tested in this lab for their impact quality, abrasion quality, etc. And the properties of the bitumens are also tested within this lab. So it is an important lab for civil engineering, and we are having this lab of very good quality in our college. Soil mechanics lab is a very important lab in that sense because all the load of the structure, civil engineering structure, is generally transferred to the soil itself. So it is very important to check up the engineering property of the soil. This is the lab of soil mechanics where we used to check different engineering property required for different complicated high-rise structures. In strength of material lab, we used to check the quality of the metals and its load taking capacity, in that sense stress taking capacity for different kinds of load. Here we can see different machines where we used to check the bending and other load carrying capacity of different metals like steel, MS, mild steel, aluminium, copper and other alloys. This is the central library of the college. From here, students can borrow their textbooks and reference books. We have also facility of reading room here. In our department, we have also a departmental library. Now, this is the auditorium of our college, in which different events like cultural programs, Saraswati Puja, Rabindra Jayanti, different seminars and other events like prize distributions are conducted. Indian mothers are very worried for their child whether their tummies are full or not. In our college, we have a very good, efficient, healthy cafeteria, or we may say canteen, to have some tiffin or meal on their lunch time, in the lunch break, that we used to facilitate to the students coming from different corners of this city, Calcutta.